How to create college course manager on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just go to Microsoft Excel app. Now go to the top corner and click on this little icon and it will take you to this page. Now go down until you find the college course manager. Now as you can see, here is it right here. All what you have to do is click on it, and now you will be able to edit the informations easily fast. And after you finish editing those informations, go to the top corner, click here and click save. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.